Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: Xcode on your Mac, an Apple ID for signing, and the iPhone with developer mode enabled. Once connected over USB, tap Trust and accept prompts. Make sure the device appears in Xcode's devices list. Create a simple single-view project, set the signing team and provisioning, then select your physical device as the run target. This immediately puts you in the position to simulate location from Xcode. Do not skip the signing and trust steps. Now create a GPX file. Include latitude, longitude, and optional time or speed. Add it to your Xcode project and commit. Once added, open Product, choose Scheme, Edit Scheme, and under Options set the GPX file as the simulated location. Once done, build and run the app on your device. While the app is active, you can also use Debug, Simulate Location to switch files or waypoints. Make sure the GPX format is valid. Multiple waypoints produce a route versus a single fixed location. Run the built app and watch your iPhone's location update. Open Maps or your app to confirm the simulated position or route. Once finished, stop the run, set simulated location to none, or remove the GPX file from the scheme to restore normal GPS. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Enable developer mode on the iPhone, reconnect and tap Trust, then restart Xcode and the device. Faulty provisioning, bad GPX syntax, or a loose cable are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.